Good Saturday morning. It's going to be a busy day here at the Akura Prime Country Kitchen. Let's start with these stainless steel chopsticks I picked up off of Amazon. I'm a big fan of South Korean TV. A lot of times when they're eating on South Korean TV, they've got stainless steel chopsticks. Amazon is full of them. You really have to go through the reviews to decide which to get. These are quite inexpensive. $7.58 Prime. I think I paid an extra $3 for expedited shipping. To my surprise, I ordered them yesterday and they arrived last night. That was exciting. Professional kitchen tools Desige. If you look that up, you really can't find a definition, but if you look up Korean stuff, that word appears. I have not used these yet, but I already have a problem, and I will discuss it in a second. Just by looking at them, they're gorgeous. You've got some etching at the bottom to supposedly help you hold your food. Beautiful etching patterns at the top. You get 5 sets. Beautiful. They're beautiful. Let's take a pair out. They're not too light and they're not heavy. They're most likely hollow. They're very nice, very attractive. $8? Very nice. Here's my problem. I've got the wrong glasses on. That's why I can't see. Oh, that's why I can't see. If you see right here, it's going to be very difficult on camera. There it is. SUS 304. In the ad for these, it says they are 304 food grade stainless steel. That's only half correct. And if you ask me, the wrong half. I haven't checked them all for damage. You never know. Let's just see. They are gorgeous. They didn't have to make the patterns all different. I mean, they could have just had one pattern. I don't see any flaws. $8 for 5 sets is very nice. SUS 304, it says it on both sides. 304 stainless steel on both sides. It's almost a joke. If you have a set of cookware, or say a tea kettle, let's say you have an 1810 tea kettle. You need some magnets. These are earth magnets, very strong, very powerful. This is not supposed to stick to 1810. Very good. This pan top is not 1810. Hear that? This feels like 18-0. Modern Farberware 18-0. If you have a magnet at home and you want to test your cookware and see if it's really 1810, take the magnet, run it around. A lot of times these days, it might be 1810 around the sides and the inside, but 18-0 on the bottom, so it works with induction. If it's not magnetic, it won't work with induction. I don't know why I'm getting a yellow tint in my camera. Magnet. No stick. No stick. 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 It gets more magnetic as you get to the tip. Less magnetic here, no magnetic. So what they've done is they've given you food grade stainless steel where you're holding it. And the tip is probably 18.8 or 18.0. That's disappointing. And they put it on both sides of the handle. 304, 304. It should not be magnetic. It isn't magnetic here where it says 304. That's funny. These will never see a dishwasher. So as long as I keep them washed and dry, I shouldn't have any rusting. I got my lighting back. It was orange tinted. Back in the 90s, a friend of mine from New York gave me a set of chopsticks. Those original chopsticks are long gone. This is so beautiful. The top slides off. I've got some cheap plastic chopsticks I keep in here. Let's see how these fit. Do they fit? Oh, they do. That's nice. 304. I should be able to fit 2 sets in here. How cool! It's a little dusty. And there! I would have gladly paid $8 for a set of 2 of these if they were completely 1810. That's what I'm going to say in my review on Amazon. It's going to be fun using these in my ramen. It's going to be fun using these in my ramen diet this coming week. Thanks for joining me this Saturday morning. Jomuco stainless steel chopsticks. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.